Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to change text color in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your photopea software, then see this text, click the text layer, then again double click the text, and now see this, show this color palette and use text. Select any color. Now click OK. Now see this change text color. Another way to change text color, click the text, click effect and see this color overlay. Okay, then select color overlay, click the plate and change color. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.